So yes guys, so finished the barbecue and this is the finishing touch, man. Look at it guys, look at those chicken, man. Look at it guys, look. So I finished my sauce, everything is done. I did all my it's all done. I'm gonna turn my stove off right now, let them just soak. So guys, this is it, man. This is it. So guys, this is way in the evening. You can see the blue sky. And you can see my tire here just drooling for my chicken, which she's not gonna get none. I'm just waiting and seeing. Look guys, closing my grill. Let it just soak for a while. So guys, look at it. Take a good look at this chicken. Look at this barbecue chicken leg. Nice. Yeah. Look, guys, this is my final touch. So look in the pretty blue sky, guys. Nice, eh? Look at it. This is it. So I'm gonna turn my grill off. Turn the gas off. Yes, guys. Stay tuned and watch what I go on, man. Look at Nathaniel. Look at him. He's such a beautiful dog.